Is it planet? Is it stars? Or what could it be in this episode, this second episode of What's in the Sky this month? This month, April 2026. But I can promise you, you want to stay to the end of this video because I will give you something special, a special tips on what to see under the night sky that you don't want to miss. I promise you that. But let's start straight away. I will give you 3 really good tips in this video now, and in the end I give you something special. So let's start with tips number 1, and it's a planet, Venus. Venus stands out as a really bright object, very easy to find. Look west after the sunset and you will see a bright object. Look at it with your naked eye, binocular, or point your telescope at it. Even if you are close to a city or in a city with a lot of light pollution, you will be able to see Venus. So don't miss this opportunity now to have a really good spot on Venus and make some observing session. Tips number 2 is another planet. I had it in my last episode of What's in the Sky this month, and that was for March 2026, but I choose to take it even in this video, and it's Jupiter. Jupiter continues to dominating the night sky. This is the best object for you as a beginner. Easy to find in the sky, very bright, easy to locate. Again, naked eye, binocular, telescope. And with telescope you can easily see the bands on the side and also the moons that's surrounding the Jupiter. Really good object. If you haven't taken the chance in March, make sure to make it in April to have an observing session and look at Jupiter. I can't say it enough. I really like observing the planets, and Jupiter is one of my favorites. So don't miss it. The third tip from my side is actually a planetary parade. This is when several planets lines up, and this happens in the morning sky, and this time it's 4 planets, and it's Mercury, Mars, Jupiter and Neptune. So again, in the morning sky, mid to late April, you can see these 4 planets lining up in a planetary parade. This happens with several intervals, so it's not very uncommon, but make sure that you don't miss this opportunity now to see this. It's really nice. Again, you can take really nice pictures of it, and something to really look at and having a nice observing session. But now let's go to the last tip from my side, because now I have gone through these 3 tips, and now I promise you something special. So let's see what it is. So the bonus feature, the bonus tips from my side, is actually a Lyrid meteor shower that peaks 22nd to 23rd April. This is something that is really nice to see, and you can expect around 10 to 20 meters per hour starting by midnight, and you don't need any equipment to see this. You can see it with your naked eye, but of course it's nice to see it through a binocular or a telescope. So this you don't want to miss. It's really nice, and with this quantity of 10 to 20 per hour, you will absolutely see some meteors. So yes, if you haven't seen it before, make sure you don't miss this opportunity now. This was all in this episode. I hope that you will have really good observing sessions during April, and make sure check my other videos as well on my channel. I'm starting now a new project to build my own observatory. I have posted a short video about that, and I will share completely all the planning, building, and so on. So make sure like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my other videos, and especially what's in the sky for next month, that is May 2026. Take care, see you, bye.